Unlock the power of modern programming with Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. Discover how objects and classes revolutionize software design, making code more intuitive, maintainable, and scalable for real-world applications. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, is a paradigm that structures code around objects, encapsulating data and behavior to reflect real-world entities. It underpins modern software development, supporting languages like Java, Python, and C++. OOP promotes modularity, reusability, and scalability, allowing developers to create adaptable and maintainable applications. The evolution of object-oriented programming began in the 1960s with Simula, introducing classes and objects. In the 1980s, Smalltalk popularized object-oriented programming with its elegant design. Today, object-oriented programming is integral to languages like Java, Python, and C#, driving innovations in mobile apps and enterprise systems. Procedural programming organizes code as a sequence of instructions, focusing on functions and procedures. It's ideal for simple, linear tasks. In contrast, object-oriented programming structures code as interacting objects, bundling data and behavior. This approach excels in managing complexity in large projects, emphasizing objects and their interactions. In procedural programming, functions handle data in a linear sequence, passing information step by step. In contrast, object-oriented programming involves objects interacting by sending messages, each managing its own data and responsibilities. This shift allows for more modular and maintainable code, especially in complex systems. Classes serve as blueprints, defining properties and behaviors. For instance, a bicycle class might include attributes like color and brand, and methods such as pedal or brake. An object, like Bianchi Cycle, is a specific instance of this class, with defined values such as color equals blue, brand equals Bianchi, and gear count equals 21. Consider classes as cookie cutters, defining the shape and template of cookies. Each cookie represents an object, unique with its own icing, sprinkles, and decorations. A single cutter can produce numerous cookies, each with distinct features, illustrating how one class can generate multiple unique objects. In Python, defining a class like Bicycle involves setting attributes such as color, brand, and gear count. Instantiating objects like Bianchi Cycle and Trek Cycle allows each to have unique values. Methods like pedal and brake enable interaction, demonstrating how the blue Bianchi moves and the Trek stops, showcasing object-oriented programming in action.